We're going to decorate cigar boxes. This is really fun. I'm going to show you how to kind of prep the box, and then maybe with a light sanding, and we're going to, sometimes they don't need sanding, but we'll see. Depends on the box. They're all different. Then we're going to chalk paint the box, and if you haven't used chalk paint, it's really fun. We're going to kind of, I guess you'd say, weather it and wax it and give it an antique look. We're going to add things to the outside of the box. We're going to do some applique and photo transfer. So these are all steps that I'm going to be showing you how to do. And then on the inside of the box, we'll be decorating with papers and just all kinds of found objects. There is no limit to what you can use on these boxes. This is why I'm so excited to show you this and play. And then we're going to, on the inside of the box, after we get some papers and stuff lined inside there, we're going to make a little, I guess you call it trinket, a divider. And I'm going to show you how to do that with some wood. And finally, we will we'll put the little music movement in there, and I'll show you how to drill for that, how to make a little arm so that when the lid shuts, it turns off the music. And that's about it. That's about it. We'll put legs on it and call it a day, but it's really fun. You're going to love these. It'll be a lot of fun. So I'm going to just show you these step by step. So on one of the metal boxes, we're gonna paint it up to make it look kind of rusty and give it an old look. And with that, I'm gonna add some wonderful elements on the outside. We're gonna put on an old jar lid. Actually, it's a new jar lid we're gonna make to look old. We're gonna cold connect that. We're going to add words, rusty things, actually a twig and some moss, and that's what's great about these boxes. It's a new box, it's made to look old, and you can add anything on it you want. You can start with an old metal box, that's fine too. It's just in this example I'm going to show you what I do with a new one. And then we'll decorate the inside, and we'll put either fabric or paper in there, and then you're going to make a divider out of it, and I'll show you that as well, and how to add the music movement to the inside of the tin box. And the tin box is going to have a whole different sound than the wood box. It's really, really interesting to see that. So that's what we're going to do on that kind of painted metal box, and I'll just walk you through each step.